With the Gravity Forms Geolocation add-on, you can gain better insight into where your customers are based, as well as allow users to enable address autocomplete on their forms. The Geolocation add-on provides Google Places API integration to the address field, which allows for easy lookup and population of addresses. This feature helps to ensure a smooth form completion process for customers, improving user experience and ultimately reducing form abandonment. You can add your Google Places API key by navigating to the form settings page and selecting Geolocation. If you don't have a Google Places API key, we've linked a blog post in the description of this video containing a detailed guide on getting started. Once you have added your API key, navigate to the form editor for the form you wish to use and select the address field. Under the Advanced Settings, check the Enable Geolocation Suggestions box. Now, whenever a user begins typing their address, they'll be greeted with autocomplete choices powered by the Google Places API. The Geolocation add-on also allows you to easily collect and store geographical data with form submissions. Within each form entry, a Google map will display the user's location, helping to give clear insight into where your customers are located. You'll also be able to view address information, as well as the longitude and latitude of the user when they completed the form. Finally, if you want to disable location collection for a form, you can do so from within the form settings under the Geolocation tab. By tracking geolocation data, you can collect information you need to make informed decisions for your business. For more guides and tutorials on all things Gravity Forms, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching.